Hi, this is the third episode of Crypto Fridays with me, Igor. Welcome to a journey where innovation meets insight as we dive into the heart of the crypto universe with my guest, leading product manager. Ever wondered what it takes to build a groundbreaking MVP? Or which book is a must read for aspiring PMs? Join us today and discover the answers. In today's episode, we will discuss how to build the crypto processing MVP. The term of the day is the GotoMarket, and the crypto joke will be read by our guest. And today I have a wonderful guest, Konstantin Ratushniak, who has 6 years of product management experience. He was working with the fintech companies, with the ride-hailing companies, with the huge banks and investment firms. Hi, Konstantin.
Hi, Igor.
We are recording this episode in January of 2024. As far as I know, you are based in Portugal. And what is the weather in Portugal in this season?
In Portugal, it's winter too, as well. No sun, but warm enough.
Portugal is a great country, and I hope there will be a warm season ahead. Today, we want to discuss your experience as a product manager in general and crypto space. Your latest company was Cryptopay. What does this company do?
In general, Cryptopay is a company that provides crypto processing services, exchange services, including fiat to crypto and back, and treasury services, mainly for business clients.
Also, I see that Cryptopay has some services for users, like a B2C segment.
Yes, you're right. Cryptopay has a wallet. It names like a Cryptopay wallet.
Yeah. So for storing your cryptocurrencies, and you can buy this cryptocurrency with a card, so you can withdraw the funds back to the card. You mentioned that the main users are B2B segment, like companies, and the rest are just the regular users like we are. What are the channels usually used for the communication with business? So what are the product channels here?
Mostly it's offline channels through sales team or biz dev teams, working with the company representatives, using a full range of communications with the potential client, and online channels such as organic and paid inbound traffic to the site.
Right. Not every time the advertisements are working for a B2B segment. Offline meetings and some other offline activities are working better in this segment. So you've mentioned these products for B2B. So what are exactly the products for this segment?
Business products include website and onboarding flow, personal customer account for integration settings and financial management, integration products such as invoicing, payment links, and others.
Right. So basically, when a company wants to receive crypto, they need some kind of service to receive the crypto, to exchange it, and to send it back to some fiat accounts. Is it right?
Yes, you're right. The users, mostly small and micro businesses who have cryptocurrency in their revenue, and they would like to manage this financial flow, including fiat withdrawals.
Right. And you've mentioned onboarding. So what is onboarding? Why some business would require onboarding flow? Is it like complicated?
In our terminology, onboarding, it's not just a flow where we help the user to reach our main point of points of our product, more as an automatic flow to have a successful registration on our service as soon as possible to get feedback by sales and compliance teams.
Right. So it's something like KYC checks, know your client.
Yeah, it's onboarding includes all of these checks.
It's very important. The regulation is being tightened. If you will be asked from somebody, what is the product manager? What is the definition of this job?
Good question. Actually, I try to explain my grandmother what I'm doing day by day, but it was really difficult. And I think product manager is a professional responsible for overseeing the development strategy and performance of product or set of products. This role involves collaborating with cross-functional teams, defining the product vision, creating roadmaps, and ensuring that the product aligned with the business goals and customer needs. Typically, product managers guide the entire product lifecycle from ideation to development to launch and ongoing improvement.
Yeah, so I've seen many definitions like the product manager is a mini CEO of the company. Do you agree with that?
Yeah, I agree with that. Absolutely. And in terms of right or classical traditional product manager, yeah, it's absolutely right. I agree.
You were working in a traditional finance, as I understand, so it was like a traditional banking, traditional investments. What was the turning point why you switched to crypto?
It's a second good question. I don't know, because in my everyday life, I never use crypto before, and I didn't deep inside of this topic. And I always want to know more about crypto, why, how, and of course, yeah, I tried to watch videos, to read articles. Yes, my previous experience is a traditional finance bank, and actually in crypto exist similar processes inside of the flow, and have a more level of income.
What is your view on the crypto space? Why compensation higher than when you are working in a traditional finance?
I would say I would answer shortly: higher risk, higher return.
How your experience in traditional fintech helped you with the crypto space?
I believe that my job experience in traditional bank helped me because of part of business processes are the same. If we can see as helicopter view to bank processes, we can find really a lot of
similarities. Things. Yes, I see. Yeah. So when you know all the processes, all the terminology in the traditional banking, you can easily apply this knowledge to crypto space because you basically need to recreate the same stuff.
Not easily, but easier.
Okay. What were the obstacles? What were the challenges inside the crypto space? So when you started working as a PM in a crypto domain?
Personally, for me, the biggest challenge was to understand several aspects in technical terms. I asked questions to the technical lead, watched videos, how we interact with the partners who are analyzing transaction for compliance with AML requirements, how we interact with liquidity providers, and and so on.
How quickly you learned about the networks? There are so many networks like Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Bitcoin. So have you memorized them all?
In general, I don't remember all of coins or chains. But for my goals or company goals, we used only 16 goals, the most popular. In terms of turnover, they have 94% of the market of cryptocurrency.
In order to be ahead of this newborn technology, if you want to be on the edge of the crypto space, you need to learn a lot of things. You need to educate yourself every day. What is your best choice of books?
I can recommend classic table books. For me, it's Marty Kagan, Inspired, and How to Create Tech Products Customers Love. I want to read another of his books, Empowered, but haven't gotten around to it yet. Yeah, it's a fresh book, but by Marty Kagan.
Right. So if you want to start to be a product manager, so it's number one choice.
I would say not to start, because for start you need some basis and process basis as Scrum and Agile and another things, task description, to have a structure, how to use all your knowledge. I would say this book is must-have. I would recommend to everyone classic books near AL. The book is Hooked: How to Build Habit-Forming Products. One more is Eric Rice, The Lean Startup.
Also, if you have other books that you can recommend for this product management topics or fintech or crypto, also leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe. Ever wondered which cloud infrastructure can be paid with a crypto? I can name a few, for example, Microsoft Azure. But what if you don't want to learn how to use Microsoft Azure or how to work with different security layers, and you need some very small and simple virtual server? You might try Time4VPS. It's a cloud infrastructure provider, one of the cheapest, and it's located in Europe. I've started using Time4VPS back in 2017, and I'm still using these services for example, for my VPN server. This European-based cloud provider offers one of the cheapest container VPS, which starts from 3.5 euro per month. The low price comes with some drawbacks. For example, the backups are paid. You cannot run Docker inside. But if you don't want to study complicated Microsoft Azure or AWS, these layers and configuration, and you just need a reliable server, try this Time4VPS, where you can pay for the server with a Bitcoin or altcoin. Check out the link in the description. I want to discuss with you the creation of MVP, the minimum viable product for a card acceptance module on a website. So if you want to create a piece of software that will allow users to buy crypto with a card, you need to create a new product for this. Of course, there are many products which can do this job, but if you, for example, are concerned about the security or have any other reasons, you will try to build your own system. So let's try to think and to create the MVP for such product. What will be the first step?
Yes, Igor, let's try. First of all, I would suggest to provide market research, identify your target audience and their needs, understand the pain points faced in crypto card acceptance, analyze existing solutions to identify gaps and areas for improvement. Then it could be regulatory compliance. You need to understand and comply with the regulatory requirements for crypto card in the regions you plan to operate.
You need to understand which license you may require to work with cards, where the company is based, what is domicile. So you need to follow all the rules for this regulation.
Do you need a license or or not? Maybe not. What else operations you will need? For example, I'm sure that you will need a compliance or compliance team, or ask someone as a partnership to be your compliance agent.
You need to follow all the rules because, as I said earlier, so we know that the crypto space is now more regulated than ever. When you discover all of these things, you probably need to discover the technology stack for this.
Yeah, you need that. You need to choose a secure and reliable blockchain platform for processing transactions. Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and or other popular choices. You need to implement a secure payment gateway for card transactions.
Probably when the user buys cryptocurrency, it should be stored somewhere.
For MVP and later, probably you need a wallet integration. You need to develop or integrate a cryptocurrency wallet solution for users to store and manage their funds securely, and to be ensure capability with popular wallet providers and standards. For example, for Ethereum or Ethereum-based tokens is ERC20.
And of course, so when you have the crypto part of the task completed, you need to start to accept the card. How you would do this?
Through card integration, you're right. Partner with card networks that support crypto transactions, such as Visa or MasterCard. Implement card integration using APIs provided by the chosen card network. This involves handling card verification, authorization, and settlement processes.
So can you work directly with MasterCard and Visa, or you should work with some kind of third parties who can help you with communication?
I would say you need to try to build your unit economic, make a forecast of your P&L, because it's possible, but it could be more expensive than our partnership with some card and crypto providers.
So when you say unit economy, it means that you should calculate what will you earn with this product and what are the expenses.
Yeah, you're right. Unit economic, it's a term. We can discuss it, but it's another topic.
Yeah, and now if we have all the parts, now probably we need to build some kind of user interface.
Not some, but user-friendly. It's an important thing.
How you convert to some kind of design to the user-friendly design.
But one more process.
Big topic.
You can provide competitor research and to highlight best practice of them, and to use these practice in your prototype. Check your prototype with your potential customers, and check, improve, and check again to be sure that you have a seamless experience for customers who will make payments through your application.
So you are talking about the collecting of feedback and to iterate on and on to achieve the desired result.
Next steps could be security measures, transaction processing, analytics, and reporting, testing, all of this, and Of course, feedback iteration. Collect feedback from merchants and the users, iterate on your MVP based on their input. Continuously improve and update the platform to address any emerging challenges. And the last a big part is launch and marketing. Plan a strategic launch, emphasizing the benefits of your crypto card acceptance solution, and implement a marketing strategy to attract merchants and users to your platform. Success of your MVP depends on ongoing improvements based on user feedback and industry trends. Stay agile and responsive to the evolving needs of your crypto and payments landscape.
Sounds great. Sounds great. So, and when you're mentioning the traffic to your product, so you can show the advertisements in various applications. And if you want to test with merchants, with small businesses, so how you would start?
All possible ways are acceptable. It depends on your budget for marketing, for advertisement. For example, you can create a landing page and to buy some traffic.
So building a small landing page and buying some traffic. So can you estimate it in, for example, $5,000?
If you have already almost ready application or some service, you need to have at least $3,000, maybe $5,000 for first launch.
Three to five, it's a minimum. $3,000 to $5,000. It's minimum. We reviewed all of the steps for the MVP. Let's try to summarize. So what we need to do for MVP and what should be done with MVP.
We need MVP for trying to close the main needs and main problems of our potential customers. If we didn't solve the problems of our potential customers, it means we need to get step back and try to change something in your hypothesis or your technical realization of your MVP.
It's a great advice, yeah. Today's crypto joke is from Konstantin.
Why did the cryptocurrency break up with the traditional banking system? Because it needed more space for its decentralized relationships.
That's a good one. Yeah, I think that's it. Thank you very much for the explanation, for your experience and the description of your work. So thanks for MVP and the books.
Thanks, Igor. It was nice to talk to you. Bye.
Bye. Term of the day is GotoMarket. GoToMarket strategy refers to the approach a company uses to deliver its unique value proposition to customers, enter a new market, or launch new products or services. The goal is to enhance market penetration, increase revenue streams, and achieve competitive advantages. A well-defined GTM strategy is critical for aligning internal teams and resources to ensure the product reaches the intended audience effectively and efficiently. There is an interesting example of GTM strategy made by Binance in 2017. When Binance entered the market in 2017, it focused on addressing user pain points that were common with existing cryptocurrency exchanges, such as poor technical infrastructure, insecure platforms, poor customer service, and limited language support. Binance's GTM strategy included offering a robust, secure trading platform with a user-friendly interface and high processing speed. They also introduced a wide range of cryptocurrencies for trading, appealing to a global audience by supporting multiple languages. Additionally, Binance launched its own token Binance coin, which could be used to pay for trading fees at a discount, thereby incentivizing its adoption and use on the platform. Understand the market landscape, including customer needs, competitive analysis and market trends. Define and segment the target audience to tailor messages and offerings. Articulate a clear value proposition that distinguishes your product from competitors. Develop the channels and tactics for marketing and selling the product, such as digital marketing, partnerships, and direct sales. Determine pricing based on the market research, perceived value, and competitive positioning. Choose the most effective means of distributing and delivering the product to the customers. Establish KPIs to measure success and adapt the strategy based on the performance data. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe.